What is sex? Sex refers to the biological characteristics that categorize living organisms as male or female. In human terms, it's the distinction between being male or female based on a combination of anatomical, genetic, and physiological features. Here are the primary components of human sex. Genetic sex. Genetic sex is determined by the presence of certain sex chromosomes. Typically, females have 2 X chromosomes, 20, while males have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome, XY. However, not all individuals fit this genetic pattern, as some genetic variations can result in atypical combinations, such as XXY. Anatomical sex. Anatomical sex is based on the external and internal physical characteristics of an individual's body. In most cases, people are classified as male or female based on the presence of primary and secondary sexual characteristics. Primary sexual characteristics include the genitals, whereas secondary sexual characteristics include traits like breast development and facial hair. Hormonal sex. Hormonal sex involves the production and levels of sex hormones, including testosterone and estrogen. Testosterone is typically associated with males, while estrogen is associated with females. However, both hormones are present in both sexes, albeit in differing quantities. Reproductive organs. The presence of specific reproductive organs further distinguishes males from females. In typical development, males have testes, which produce sperm, and females have ovaries, which produce eggs. Additionally, males have a penis, while females have a vagina and uterus. It's important to note that while sex is often considered binary, male or female, there is a recognition that sex can be more complex and fall along a spectrum. Some individuals may be intersex, which means their biological sex characteristics do not fit typical definitions of male or female. Intersex individuals may have variations in their chromosomes, anatomy, or hormonal patterns. Understanding sex as a binary concept is an oversimplification of the complexities of human biology. Moreover, gender, which refers to the roles, behaviors, and identities associated with being male or female, is distinct from biological sex. People may identify with the gender assigned to their sex at birth, cisgender, or may have a gender identity that does not align with their biological sex, transgender. In summary, sex refers to the biological characteristics that categorize an individual as male or female based on genetics, anatomy, hormones, and reproductive organs. However, recognizing the diversity and complexity of sex variations, including intersex conditions, is important for a more accurate understanding of human biology.